How to fix Instagram filters and effects not showing problem. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram filters and effects not showing, then you need to open up your Play Store at first, go with the search and search for Instagram. Once you search, make sure that you don't have any updates, because if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go with the update and you need to update. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to that Instagram application. Go with the app info. Under app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, you can go back and now you need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to that power button. Go with restart. Once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Instagram filters and effects not showing problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.